Tracking some warm temperatures to end our Friday night as we drop down into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Starting out tomorrow morning at the Lake of the Ozarks near 61. So we're going to be feeling more like summer here for this weekend. Tracking some strong winds and warm temperatures through much of Saturday. It's going to be beautiful if you have homecoming plans. If you're heading out to do any tailgating, keep in mind it's definitely going to be very breezy. So secure your tents before you go into the stadium, but it's going to be mild. We're topping out in the low 80s for kickoff time at 3 o'clock. And as we get into the rest of the night, it remains mild. We're still staying in the 70s even as the sun goes down. The rest of the weekend is going to be warm and breezy on Sunday. High temperatures will continue to be in the lower 80s. That strong wind will pick up to about 30 miles per hour with clouds starting to move back in towards late afternoon and early evening. Strong winds will continue into Monday, but they'll be shifting to the north during the day, and that should bring in some cooler air. Winds will start to die down for the rest of the week as our storm system works its way out of the region. Here's what I'm tracking tonight. Things are quiet across a lot of the country. Finally, we got that low pressure system that brought us that cool air now well off to our northeast across Canada. Our next storm system still well off to our north and our west tonight. So I'm not expecting any problems over the weekend. By Sunday night, tracking a few clouds as we get into Monday morning, possibly a couple spotty showers ahead of our next front, but likely going to hold off on the widespread rain until late afternoon. Showers continue to roll through overnight into Tuesday morning. We'll stop here at Tuesday at 8 o'clock. A lot of that rain impacting the morning commute. So you're probably going to want to give yourself extra time to get around and likely have the umbrella all day. I'll be tracking that rain that will continue throughout the evening and likely into late Tuesday night. There's a chance this could exit by late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, but for now, we'll keep an eye on it and let you know if we'll need to have those umbrellas again for Wednesday morning. Rain amounts have increased quite a bit as the storm system has slowed down just a little bit, so that is good news for those of us in severe drought conditions. We are getting about 2 to 2.5 inches over the next 7 days. That'll combine what we see between Monday and Wednesday morning, and then what we could see on Friday if we see another system develop. We're keeping a close eye on that for the end of the week. Here's our 7-day forecast, tracking a big cool down between Sunday and Tuesday as we're dropping back down to the low 60s for the rest of the week. We'll largely have dry weather between Wednesday and Thursday with our next rain chance potentially by Friday.